Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Hedera or Hbar. Wanted to make a new update on this. Yesterday, a couple of people got mad at me for not covering not covering Hedera in my middle of the day market update. Don't worry, guys. I mean, I am bullish on Hbar. The last video we did was, I think, on Monday. And back then we already said, well, it looks most likely that we'll actually get back up to the previous high right here at 32 cents. So I am bullish on Hbar. But the thing is that sometimes I forget. I monitor over 50 coins. Hedera is on that list, all right? Hedera is on my watch list. So maybe sometimes I forget to mention it, but I knew yesterday it was amazingly strong. And just in general, I mean, if you take a look at this chart, I would almost say that Hbar, I'll call it Hedera, that's better. Hedera hash graph for the veterans under us. But I would even go as far as saying that Hedera actually looks better than Ripple right now. While Ripple was one of the strongest cryptos in the last month and a half. So I'm extremely bullish on Hedera. There have also been some major partnerships and developments, and as I've shown you last time as well, if you take a look at the network TVL, Hedera is actually growing quite nicely as well. TVL right now is $340 million. So that places it not incredibly high, but it does place it in the top 30. So all of that, bullish. And then I think if we take a look at the technicals, which obviously I specialize in, it looks even better. Where this is the 12-hour time frame, but on the daily time frame we did that as well. We actually managed to break back above this level right here between 30 and 31 cents, which is kind of filled with confluences, right? It's a bit of, like, if you take a look at this structure right here, it's obviously still a consolidation. Excuse me. Wow. But in terms of structure, it's obviously still a consolidation. But what I always like to ask myself then, I like to trade consolidations a lot. I've had my best trades on them with Breakout, right? So the big question for me is, all right, well, are we actually strong enough to break out here? And that's a difficult question. And there's multiple reasons why that's a difficult question, because, well, first of all, it's Christmas. Even if we break out on Christmas, would we really trust it? I don't know. And then at the same point of time, like we did gain a lot of volume here. The volume reached $2 billion. But it is dropping down. And with volume that's dropping down, you're most likely not going to break out. And in my opinion, we have not broken out yet. We have broken above 30 cents, and that is a breakout, but we have not broken above the top of the range, which, if we take a look at the top of the range here, and if we look at this entire price action, you can see, for example, that there is still a very strong level here at 33 cents. And then there's also still a strong level at 38 cents. Now, I think breaking above 33 cents or breaking above this level here between 34, 35, 33 cents, breaking above that is already enough. I don't really think 38 cents is that much of a strong resistance level. We spiked up there twice, but that's about it. I think 35 cents, 34 cents is much more. But to break the range, I do think we need to break above that. And a breakout above 30 cents is great, but that's not enough. Right, so at the moment, I still think it's most likely we will not break out. I'm very bullish on Hedera. I think we will break out eventually. But right now, given the timing in the market, which matters, and given the volume volume development we're seeing right now, I think it's most likely that we'll stay in this range, which, like I said, is ultimately very bullish. All right, a lot of coins right now would kill to be in a range like this. So that's what I would say is most likely. I will probably be back with another video tomorrow, because I do think, like, if obviously volume is going to drop down today, if tomorrow morning, if tomorrow afternoon, we do see a volume increase again for Hedera, I do think we could still break out then, right? So I'm keeping that option open for a bit here, that we do something like this tomorrow. Keeping that open, like I said, it's not most likely right now, and I don't think you should assume it happens. Keep that at the back of your minds, but for now, like I said, I think it's most likely we'll stay in the consolidation. I'll be back. Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.